Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey into the world of pig farming? With the right knowledge and guidance, you can turn your dream into a thriving reality. Welcome to DG Max, your ultimate destination for agricultural success. Hey there, future pig farmers. Today, we're laying the groundwork for your success by breaking down the essentials of starting a pig farm in Kenya. And guess what? You don't need a huge investment to get started, just 20 piglets and a lot of enthusiasm. Let's talk numbers. To kickstart your pig farming journey, you'll need the following equipment. 3,000 bricks for the sty construction, 150,000 shillings, 30 bags of cement, 45,000 shillings, 20 iron sheets, 80,000 shillings, 5 feeding troughs, 15,000 shillings, 5 water troughs, 15,000 shillings, labour for construction, 50,000 shillings, water supply and plumbing, 30,000 shillings total for constructing your pigsty, 385,000 shillings. These 20 little guys right here are your ticket to success. Each piglet costs KES 5,000, so for 20 piglets, that's 100,000 shillings. Next, you'll need feeding equipment. Let's break it down. Feed storage bins, 20,000 shillings, feeders and drinkers, 30,000 shillings total for feeding equipment, 50,000 shillings. Initially, you'll need to stock up on feed for the first 3 months. Buying in bulk will save you money, costing about 40,000 shillings. Keeping your pigs healthy is paramount. Regular checkups and vaccinations are essential, costing around 10,000 shillings for the year. And finally, there are some miscellaneous costs, such as transportation and licensing, which will come to about 10,000 shillings. To sum up, the total initial setup costs are 595,000 shillings. Now, let's move on to the monthly operating costs. Feeding your pigs will be the biggest recurring expense. Expect to spend around 20,000 shillings per month on commercial pig feed. You'll also need some helping hands. Hiring one worker at 10,000 shillings per month is a cost-effective approach. Utilities like water and electricity will be about 3,000 shillings per month. So, your total monthly operating costs are $33,000 shillings, which adds up to 396,000 shillings annually. Now let's talk about revenue. Assuming you start with 20 piglets, they should reach market weight of 90 kilo in about 6 to 8 months. At an average price of 350 shillings per kilogram, each pig will bring in 31,500 shillings. For 20 pigs, that's a total revenue of 630,000 shillings. If you sell 10 piglets for breeding at KES 5,000, that's an additional 50,000 shillings. Plus, you can sell manure for around 20,000 shillings annually. Your total expected revenue for the first year is 700,000 shillings. Let's do a quick recap. Your total costs for the first year, including setup and operating expenses, will be 991,000 shillings. With an expected revenue of 700,000 shillings, the first year might see a shortfall. However, don't be discouraged. This is where the magic happens. In the second year, without the initial setup costs, your expenses will drop significantly. Your main expenses will be the annual operating costs of 396,000 shillings. With the same revenue of 700,000 shillings and operating costs of 396,000 shillings, your profit in the second year will be 304,000 shillings. Starting a pig farm is not just about making money, it's about creating a sustainable future for yourself and your community. So roll up your sleeves, embrace the challenge, and let's make your pig farming dreams a reality. Join us on this incredible journey of growth and prosperity. Subscribe to DG Max for more valuable insights, tips, and inspiration on your farming adventure. Together, we'll sow the seeds of success and reap the rewards of hard work and dedication. See you in the next video.